All right, folks, we're back. Got the Nova out. It was a nice day today. Finally got a good day. Good day in January. It's pretty rare, so got a good day to get out here and pressure wash. And that's what we did. So we got up under the car and blasted away for a couple of hours. And it's hard to see under there, but it's much cleaner than it was. So that's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good for us to we can button up our brakes, get all the brakes on, calipers, all that stuff on, kind of final assembly. We still got to run the brake lines, so I got a couple brake lines I've got to run on the rear end. One brake line I may have to run from the rear end back up to the front. Not sure how, if the factory line is going to work out or not, but and then some stuff up here on the master cylinder I've got to take care of. So it's a little tight right here. Actually, it's really tight. So I need to decide what I'm going to do here. If I'm going to massage this a little bit to make some room, or if I'm going to change my mount so this kind of kicks out a little bit to give me a little extra room. I don't know what to do there, but a little bit of sorting on the brake lines to finish that up. What else? I think we're pretty good. I need to mount my reservoir for the slave cylinder for the clutch. But she's nice and clean. I've got the headlights out of the car now. I guess I've had them out for a little bit, but I think I had the passenger in there until recently. So I pulled those out. I'm gonna clean up in there, put my headlights together and get them in. I'm gonna get the grill in soon as well. I may hold on the grill until we get the radiator and stuff in, but anyway, I'm gonna try to get the front end put together a little bit better. Anxious to see my LED lights and stuff up there, see how they're gonna look. Yeah, let's see. I don't know. I'm ready to get on this thing. I'm ready to get the engine dropped in it. I think that's next. I'm gonna set it back down. Set it back down and start looking at the engine. I gotta mount the flywheel and the clutch up to it, make sure all that's good. I need to check the dimensions on the clutch, a throwout bearing, hydraulic throwout bearing, and the clutch. Get all that stuff dialed in so we're ready to assemble. And then I'm gonna drop the engine in, and then I'll test fit the transmission, see where we've got to cut some holes in the in the tunnel to get the straight shift in it. So I got to put a hole in the tunnel. Also got to figure out where it's going to come through the tunnel, because we got a seat in the way, and I do have seats for this thing. We got two bucket Recaro seats, racing seats that I picked up. They're kind of old school and I dig them. They're gray and black. They go with the theme of the car. They look really good. However, I got this thing in my head that I kind of want to keep the bench seat. I'm really thinking about it, and I'm just recovering this thing in black, keeping it bench, and then maybe doing a cutout in the tunnel. We're right over the tunnel right here. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. But basically cut out right here, weld in a new hoop, and let somebody, when I recover this, leave some room there, and let my shifter, because I think the shifter is going to come through right about here, somewhere close to there, maybe a little bit further back, and then I can bend or make my own shifter level to come up and, come up here. Something kind of cool, maybe. Snake up here. And I get to keep a bench seat. I think that'd be really freaking cool. So I'm going to think about that. This car's not going to be like a corner carver. I'm not going to be throwing this thing into crazy turns and all that. It's just not made for that. It's going to be a cruiser. It'll be real peppy in the straight line. It'll be fun to cruise around and so on, but I'm not gonna be putting in any turns, so I don't really need the big bolsters in the seats. And I really like the idea of having that, looking inside and seeing a bench. I think that's just cool. So I'm gonna investigate that. Let me know what you think about that. I think it'd be pretty cool. I did. Let's go over here. I'll show you this. Did get my gas pedal, and let's see here. So I got my gas pedal. Throttle cable, so we are good to go there. So as soon as we get the engine in, I might put this in before we get the engine in, but as soon as we get the engine in, I'll be able to hook up all of the linkages and all that good stuff. We'll be good to go for the Holley fuel injection. Oh, really? This is on me. I just got to get out here and get some work done. It's all ready. It's all here. Just got to do it. So, all right. Well, I'm going to jump back on it.